What's up mga bro? I-share ko lang sa inyo ang isang personal experience ko sa Debonair and its performance. This is the new reformulated one. Bali na full wear ko na to on both date nights and office wear. Kaya let's talk about the performance of this fragrance. So i-appreciate lang muna natin yung bote nito. Grabe. Look at the juice. Naninilaw-nilaw na siya guys. Yung sticker niya, mas nag-improve din. I think this one is quite embossed yung mga lettering niya compared sa previous version. So magnetic cap pa rin. Atomizer pressurized. Sobrang pangis. Bang! Bango talaga. So the scent of this perfume is a Debonair. Para sa akin, ang take ata nito is from the 2021. Very fresh, very potent yung citrus and pineapple nito. But as it dry down, you'll get this maturity of the scent, the woodiness, the smokiness, and the muskiness of this perfume. But very prominent pa rin ang kanyang pineapple and yung citruses niya. So, projection around 3 to 4 hours for a freshie like this. Not bad. Sobrang goods na nun para sa akin. Longevity, medyo mabilis sa skin ko eh. Siguro 4 to 6 hours lang. But the clothes can go up to 8 to 9 hours on this one. So, para sa akin, dito sa fresh fragrance na to, quality na din ang kanyang performance. Share ko lang din I have the Imperium Silver by Symmetry Lab. This one is the take of their Aventus Creed 2010. So, ano nyo naman guys. Gawa na lang ako ng another video pagkumparahin natin tong dalawa. Share ko lang din yung thoughts ko about these both. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Ako nga pala si Only Frags. Peace out.